Hello guys, in today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to enable screen sharing or in your meetings on Zoom application. So the first thing that you will have to do is to open your Zoom desktop client or your Zoom website and sign in with your account to the application or website. And if you don't have already an existence account, you can just register or sign up with Google account or Facebook, or you can just create a new account with a new email. And after that, you will be able, like in the desktop client, you will be able to create meetings here in the first page or the home page. So after we will create a meeting, we will be able to screen share in the meetings. So now I will just quit this one. And as you can see, when you create a meeting, this is the page that you will see. So here at the bottom, you will find the actions that you can apply to your meeting. So you can like add applications or you add whiteboards or you can also add your screen and share it. So here, as you see the green button that is called uh, share screen. After you click on this arrow here, you will find these options. So then just click on the advanced sharing option, and here you will be able to give the permission or to edit the permissions of the screen shares to let other participants to share also their screen. Also, you can edit or control the amount of share screening that will be in the meeting. So as you can see, the first thing is the number or the amount of share screening at one time that can be allowed in your meeting, and you can choose one participants or multiple to share simultaneously their screen. And here is the most important option, which is if you want to let other participants to share their screen too. So here, if you want other participants to share their screen, you will have just to click all participants, and here you can also add another option if you want to let other people share screen after someone share their screen, or you can only have permission. After that, you will just exit this menu, and now other participants now are able and have the permission to share their screen, and you also can share their screen because your screen because you are the host. So simply, this is how you do it. Thank you for watching and goodbye.